I never expected anything like this to happen. Fire chief said, "Do you want to get this place closed up?" And I go, "Well, yeah, I'd love to, but it's 11 o'clock at night." And he says, "I can recommend Rainbow, and they'll have somebody here tonight." I go, "Let's do it." And less than an hour, they were there. It was unbelievable. I still can't believe that they got this much done in that little bit of time. We'll move things, we'll clean things, everything will be back where it was in the first place, and it'll be spotless when we're done. And if you need anything, any other assistant on anything else, they would help me out. And they did a great job. Definitely. Through the process, they would give me a daily update email, show me photographs of everything they'd done and what they're going to be doing the next day. And they just kept me informed really good. So I'm tickled. Yes, I'd use them again if I ever have anything happen